In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook Mail on PC. If you're new to using Outlook on your computer, don't worry. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, it becomes easy to check your messages anytime you need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open Outlook, go to the Mail section, and view the emails in your inbox. To begin, open Outlook on your PC. You can do this by clicking the Outlook app from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu, depending on where it's located on your computer. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load. If you use Outlook regularly, it may open directly to the main screen right away. If it takes a few seconds, that's completely normal. When Outlook is open, look for the Mail option. In many versions of Outlook, this appears in the navigation area, usually toward the bottom left side of the window. Click Mail to switch into the email view. This is the section where you can manage your messages, read new emails, and keep track of your communication. After you click Mail, find the Inbox folder. The inbox is where incoming emails are usually stored, so this is the main place you'll go when you want to check your mail. Click Inbox, and Outlook will display your messages in the center of the screen. You should now be able to see a list of emails, including the sender, subject line, and the time or date each message was received. To open a message, simply click on the email you want to read. The contents of that email will appear, usually in a reading pane or a separate section of the Outlook window, depending on your layout. If you don't immediately see your messages, make sure the inbox is selected, and give the program a moment to sync if your internet connection is slow. A helpful tip is to look for unread emails, which are often shown in bold or marked differently from the others. This makes it easier to spot new messages quickly. You can also click through different emails one by one to review them as needed. And that's it. Once you've opened Outlook, clicked Mail, and selected Inbox, you're ready to view your emails on your PC. It's a quick and straightforward process, and after doing it a couple of times, it will feel completely natural.